Hey, what's up, Stingheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know
Yes,
what to
sir.
do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got that what?
Weekly
That
heat.
weekly heat, baby.
Yes, sir. That
That
weekly
weekly
heat.
heat. So I'm gonna start us off on February the 21st. We do have a new collaboration, NY and Jordan Airship collaboration, PE. This does come out a price point of $150. If you don't know, there is a store in New York. It's called Awake New York. They did open they're celebrating the grand opening of their inaugural flagship store in New York. For CDs being popular in New York, let me know in the comments, sneakheads, will you be rocking these or dropping these? But these are just Away New York and Nike airships. This is the inaugural pair. So if you don't know that these are predominantly white shoes, it does have that aged out. So at the bottom, we don't have a lot of photos of these, but we can tell on the collar they are featured in the snake skin. I'm a little bit confused because I don't know if this is a mixed colorway because I am seeing two different sets of pictures. In one set, I have basically a red pair, and then on another pictures I do see a blue pair, and then on some of the pictures I see a red and blue pair together. So I'm not sure if it's going to be two separate colors, or is the shoe coming out with one left red and one right blue? You don't know, but from what I read, I couldn't determine that. So let me know in the comments if you do know about these sneakers and the colorways that are coming out. But again, the shoe is predominantly white. Does have that sail midsole aged out look at the bottom of the shoe. It does feature that gray. It's kind of like a reflective Nike swoosh. And around that swoosh, depending on which shoe that you get, it'll either have the red wrapped around the reflective swoosh or it'll have the blue around the reflective swoosh. Again, the top of the collar is done in snake skin, either in red or blue to match the swooshes. Again, I think this is a clean colorway. One additional hit that it does have near the front of the shoe, near the toe box, it does have an A for Awake New York. I'm not sure if the other shoe, I couldn't see any other branding as far as the shoe goes, and we don't see what the back looks like at this time. Again, we're waiting for more official photos to come out. Well, let me know in the comments, sneakerheads. Are you rocking these or dropping these? As for me, I'm rocking these. How about you, my brother?
Hey, it's a clean shoe. I like what they're doing. They represent the NYC, and I'm really liking this shoe. It's a clean shoe. So I'll be rocking those. I'm rocking those. So drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. This brother over here is rocking them. So what's up next, my brother?
So again, moving on, February 22nd, this is the Jordan 12. This is coming out for the kids only. This will be in grade school sizing, little kids, infants and toddlers. The GS pair will come out at $160. For the little kids, will be $100, and for the toddler and infant will be $80. Now this features I call it Miami vibes because it does feature those Miami down south, Miami Beach, Florida vibes. It does come in predominantly white shoe. It does feature that looks like suede on the toe box. I do like that
Mm-hmm.
touch. It wraps around the front. You see that turquoise along the side of the midsole. Looks like a pop of orange. And a nice touch to this, they are giving us pink laces, which I haven't seen done before. The only thing that I'm not feeling is the back. I'm not sure on the back tab where we normally have inspired by the greatest. I'm not sure why they chose to go with the yellow instead of any of the similar colors. That's the only color to me doesn't match, but Jordan does that sometimes. They just throw in, I don't know why that yellow. I guess they feel yellow is a neutral color. I don't know. Comment down below what you think about these. But what's interesting of this shoe, and the reason why I think this shoe is unique, this will be the first time that the Air Jordan 3 elephant print will be featured on the shoe. Again, this is the Jordan 12. They have never featured elephant print on their shoes before. However, it didn't totally dominate the shoe, meaning that it's only coming on the back portion of the shoe. Let me know in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these and dropping these? But as for me, for the babies, I am rocking these. I do think this is a nice, clean shoe for the summertime. Yeah, I can see these if you're from Florida or Miami Beach. These are going to be popping. Everybody's gonna be trying to get these. Again, they always do unique stuff for the babies, but they don't try stuff out on the adults. But I do see these sitting because a lot of times us as parents, we don't like to spend a lot of money on the babies, especially these being a white shoe. I can see these babies getting scuffed up, and so but I am rocking these. What do you think about these, my brother?
You know, that's a clean shoe. You know, with it, you know, you mentioned, you know, with it being a nice summer shoe, that shoe there, I mean, I'm glad Jordan Brand is deciding to bring this shoe out during the school year. When I first glanced of it, it looked busy, but then once I, you know, tend to really look at the shoe itself, I could see Jordan Brand really put in some work in designing that shoe. So, hey, nice job there. Nice work there for the babies, you know. But I do agree with you, you know. I could see this shoe sitting as well because the babies they hard on some J's, so it really don't make sense to put that much money into some shoes when all the babies go do is scuff them up. But for it's like, you know, am I rocking those or dropping those? I'll be rocking those. I'll be rocking those because it's just different. And
Yes, sir.
it'd be nice if Jordan Brand would take a chance on the men's shoes and do some what they're doing for the babies. Because I think those
Yes, sir.
shoes, especially even if you didn't do it for the men's, let's just do it for the women. You know, let's just take a chance with it, especially with that price point. Right. So drop us a comment down below if you do agree with that. But in saying all that, my brother, I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those.
Yes, sir. What we got
Mm,
next, my brother?
February the 23rd, Air Jordan at it again with these golf shoes. These Air Jordan 9s, price point of those are 230. 230. It's that white and black OG. What I really love about this shoe itself, it really represents that vintage of the Jordan 9s. You know, I'm a fan of the Jordan 9s, always been. I'm glad they stayed true to that shoe for us with the logo, the Jumpman, keeping it red. You know, hey, I can see those golfers really, hey, you know, I'm all about the shoes must match the fit, right? How can I how can I pair these shoes up with a fit? But I can see those golfers really going out there in style with these shoes. What I really do love too as well is the removable spikes they have with them.
Mm,
So I don't know if that there is saying, oh, you can use them as golf. And then when you're not golfing, hey, remove the spikes. Now you can go ahead and wear them, you know, out there as well. So I don't know. Drop us a comment down below. Any golfers out there that do pick these up, hey, shoot us a comment and let us know. Hey, if you do remove the spikes, can you wear these out, you know, off the golf course? But this is a clean shoe. Asking price is steep, right? So I can see these shoes sitting, right? Sitting. So drop us a comment down below if you feel like that price is too much. But in saying all that, I'm a fan of the nines. I will be rocking those, my brother. What about you?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I'm rocking these as well. Unfortunately, we know the lows don't do well. So I do see these sitting, as my brother said. I do think this is a nice, clean colorway. The black and white, you can't go wrong. You can rock these with almost anything you put on the golf course. And that's a good point that you did bring up that the golf spikes can't come off. Maybe you want to pick these up for personals and take off the shoes and rock them casual. That's, I mean, if you can get a shoe that can do both, versatile, I think that's a win-win in
Yeah.
my books. But let me know down in the comments. Are you rocking these or dropping these sneakerheads? Yeah.
Hey, so moving on to the next shoe. Next shoe is coming out on February the 24th. We got those Air Jordan 1s, high OG, black and white, or for those sneakerheads out there, those pandas. Asking price for those is 180. This shoe here, I really love the color scheme, that black and white. I like what they did with the toe box and the base of the shoe with that black. I'm really loving that shoe. And I'm always a one fan. I like what they did with the Nike Air on the tongue and everything. This is, you know, a simple, clean shoe, right? Nice work, Jordan Brand there. Nice work there. Drop us a comment down below. If you believe that it's just a nice, clean shoe, it's self-explanatory. That's price point 180. I may see these shoes sitting. I can see these shoes sitting because that price point of 180 for a simple shoe like that is pretty up there. But overall, I really love this shoe. I'm a one fan. I will be rocking these. I will be rocking these. What about you, my brother?
So I'm gonna go out on a limb here, and I'm gonna be rocking these as well. This will be the first time in any of our videos that we agreed on every single shoe. So a round of applause for that.
Right.
But I do agree with my brother. This is a clean, simple shoe. Again, you can't go wrong with the black and white pandas. Unfortunately, the shoe in my size is already performing on the retail. My size, you can get it on StockX for now for $140. So I definitely see these sitting. But hey, if you're a big Jordan 1 fan, don't follow the trend, sneakerheads. Rock what you like. If you're Jordan 1 fan, I mean, this should be the year for you. I mean, you should be able to pick up almost any colorway that you want because people are not rocking the ones as they used to. You know that everyone's shifting to the fours, but you either can be a follower or you can be an individual. I mean, be yourself. I always tend to be myself. I know the colorways and stuff that I rock, definitely people ain't rocking, but I do like that about myself because it makes me stand out instead of following the same shoe that everybody else is rocking. So let me know in the comments, stick ahead. Will you be rocking these or dropping these? And let us know, are you a trendsetter or do you follow the trends?
Yes. Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.